Hello everyone, my name is Adesh, and in this video we'll see how we can use OpenAI Agents SDK with models apart from OpenAI, which means we can use OpenAI's Agents SDK with different models such as Google Gemini or Groq, etc. etc. But there's a catch in that. So first of all, let's get started with installing the OpenAI's Agents SDK first. So let's go to documentation and quick start. I've already done this. Yeah, let's do this over here. So I oh, my bad. Let's do this. We have our Bun project ready with us, and we have to install this stuff. So let's do that as well. And now instead of creating our agent like this, let's go over here. Oh, API references at OpenAI slash agents extension. And here in functions we can see that we can utilize AI SDK to do this stuff. So let's copy this code snippet over here and let's paste it. So let's understand what's happening over here. This is the basic OpenAI's Agents SDK code. um Till here, if you compare it at the quick start, you can see we import agent from OpenAI's agent, we create an agent, and then we run it agent, and we pass a parameter of a question, and we hold it in result, and result.final output gives us the final output from the AI. So now we have to, if you can compare over here, just that we have one more thing over here along with name instruction, that's model. So we have to pass that model from AI SDK OpenAI GPT-4o. So let's go to Versal AI SDK. So Versal AI SDK is like a gateway or a wrapper for different LLM and different interfaces. So you don't have to understand the API documentations of each LLM providers or each AI providers. Versal AI SDK centralizes it and streamlines it for you. So you just write the code in one particular syntax and it takes care of everything. So let's search for Versal AI SDK Google Gemini. Uh, hmm, it should bring up the result I want, but it is not bringing it up. So choosing an AI provider, first party, yeah, Google Generative AI. So yeah, let's use this bun add AI SDK slash Google, and let's do import AI SDK slash Google. We import Google, and over here let's do something like Google, and if I do control space I get all the models. Yeah, so let's use 2.5 flash for instance. And yeah, I think we may need to install the OpenAI agents extension as well, maybe. Not sure about that, but mm, let's see. Oh, I think so. Yeah, we do need to install it. And from this example, let's copy this program somewhere over here. So we got this, and now it should finally work. So let's understand what is happening over here. We are importing agent and run from OpenAI agents. We are creating an agent, and here we just have to pass the model itself, which is this. Yeah. So we are creating an agent, giving it a name, giving it a system prompt, and passing the model. The model we are getting it from AI SDK Google Gemini 2.5 Flash. And yeah, this code should work, but we do need an .env file, and for that it says that yeah, this is the API key which is required. So let's quickly head to AI Studio, and let me quickly grab my API key. Yeah, so I'll just copy this API key over here, and let's do one thing. I'll create a new API key. Yeah, for a video, and I'll delete this one once I'm done using it. So that would be cool. Uh, yeah, for a video. Let's copy this one, paste it over here, and let's do simply one run index.ts, and it should give us the output. Yeah, you can ignore this one because we are not using OpenAI, so it is just saying that anything we'll do with this agents SDK won't be we can't track it via the OpenAI's dashboard. But yeah, as you can see, we received the output and we used Gemini 2.5 Flash over here instead of OpenAI's default models or any kind of OpenAI model. So this is how you can integrate different models with OpenAI's Agents SDK, and the sky is the limit. I mean, not the sky is the limit. Anything, any model or any SDK providers which are available in Versal's AI SDK, you can utilize it. For example, as you can see, we can use Groq one over here. Just do this and just swap it from over here. Instead of slash Google, just do slash Groq, and from Groq import some model and you're good to go. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. If you like this video, I mean, do whatever you want with it. You can like, share, comment if you want to, and do let me know in the comments if you want more videos like such, about anything related to agentic AI, LLMs, and etc. etc. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys in next one. Bye bye.